Hello friends, how are you? And welcome to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to tell you how can we enable or disable the location service in Windows 10. Okay, as you know that Windows 10 has got the location service so that the window can access your location, okay, and which is very useful while using maps and other apps, okay. And sometimes if you don't want location service to be turned on in your system, okay, for some privacy purposes, okay, you can disable the location service, and I'm going to tell you that, okay. And for this you have to go to the start menu, and then on the settings there you have privacy, and there location, okay. And here is a location, and here location for this device is on. That means currently we are using this location service, and we can change it, okay. As I click here, now the location for this device is off. So in this way we can disable the location service in our computer, or let's say we can say that the Windows will not track our location after this. And if you want it to turn it on, then simply click here, okay. And also we have a shortcut for enabling and disabling the location service, and here at the action center, okay, you can see location. As you click on it, the location service is now enabled, and now it is disabled, okay. In this way we can enable and disable the location service in our computer, okay. And this was for today, friends. Please like and share this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.